Hey guys, Adam from N.AUTO Automotive here. This week we're looking at how $300 can drastically improve your vehicle. In an earlier video I talked about how we lightly tinted the front headlights. Now the at-night performance hasn't really changed that much with the tint, just kind of gets rid of that glare of the stock headlights, but you're never happy, you always want more. So for $300, if you pan over here, we got dual 40s for the front bumper, twin floods for both mirrors. With our relays and wiring, our switches are coming in, but everything you see here, including the switches, $300, and it's gonna drastically improve the lighting at night. Okay guys, Adam from N.AUTO Automotive here. As we stated in a previous video when we were doing the pod lights on the mirrors, we're gonna be doing two 40-inch light bars. I got one here. So one's going to be going like that, and one kind of directly below it. So we got the mounting brackets for the dual 40 set up here. Real easy, just mark it where you want. Drill your 4 holes, sorry. Pull your hardware through. Now the hard part from here is getting your light bars exactly where you want them. Make them as level as possible. From here, you just gotta throw your hardware in and tighten them up.
Alright guys, so Adam finished bolting up the last light bar here, and as you can see, it looks real good, real mean, fully lined up all the way back on both sides, and the tow hooks are looking good too, right underneath. Really changing the front of this truck and hopefully giving us some good usefulness out of it. We're just finishing up the wiring now. We got them zip tied together here, and we're going to set it up super quick and then hopefully show you guys what it looks like at night. Hey everybody, it's Dirty Mike from N.AUTO Automotive. I know you can't see very well right now, if at all. Right now we're just doing a nice little test for the light bars we just installed, showing you the difference between the headlights and the actual light bars. So here comes just the normal headlights right now, as you can see it coming down through the forest there. So not too bad. Normal truck headlights. Alright guys, now you'll be able to see the difference. This is with the 40-inch, dual 40-inch light bars at the dead of night. You can see it through the woods there. A lot brighter than when the headlights were coming, I can tell you that right now. And here's the moment of truth. Coming around the corner. Look at that. So much more light being emitted.
Hey, thanks for watching Northern Automotive. We appreciate you. Almost as much as donuts and strippers. Almost. I would say subscribe for more, but you already know that. Stay glazed.